Good morning, boys and girls. VW Chris here, on my way to pick up another car. When is it? I'm not picking up a car, I guess. That's probably the real question. But today I'm picking up something very, very special. I drove all the way to Tennessee yesterday, Chattanooga, Tennessee. Which is luckily only about 2.5 hours from me. And I drove all the way up just to look at a car and put a deposit on it. So yeah, I'm pretty serious about it. And I am now on my way to grab my good friend Alex's trailer so that we can tow this vehicle because it is not drivable. So with a 2-rag, we're ready to go, pick this thing up and hit the road. So we rocked up to the house and it was very, very hot, but we managed to push it outside once we pumped up the tires. Here's Alex giving me a quick hand, guiding me on, and I had the owner's brother who was helping me the whole time. He was helping push it while I was guiding it onto the trailer. A few times here I just wanted to stop and make sure the brakes did work. So we got it here onto the trailer. And then luckily the neighbors were watching and they gave us a hand pushing on the rest. So thanks to these guys again for helping us get that one on. And yeah, she went onto the trailer super easy. Nothing was frozen up, nothing was locked up. It was a little tight to push, but overall was in really, really good shape. So here she is. She sat with the roof down like this since 1976. As the owner's brother will explain in a moment, and he knew the whole story of the car. It's sat in this spot.
Yeah.
Since 1976.
Since 76.
Oh, very cool.
These guys.
Awesome. And then thanks to Alex for helping strap this one up. We managed to actually get the roof up very slowly with some PB Blaster, and it went straight back on. Just perfect actually. No rips, no tears. Everything was in really, really good shape. It's your sister's car.
Yeah.
She bought it in 1968, brand new.
Brand new. And it ran until 76.
Okay, and it's been parked.
And it's been parked in the garage ever since. Well,
wow.
It went out to Chattanooga State for a minute.
Yep.
But they never finished putting the motor in.
Put the motor back in. Okay.
Yeah, so
right.
then we brought it back here and
Parked
been
it.
here ever since.
Okay.
In
cool.
the garage.
Awesome. What a great story. Thank you so much, man. So we set off, and what he meant by that was that this local school actually pulled the engine out and put it back in. I'll explain more that later.
All the expensive stuff.
But yeah, bag secured. We got it.
The badges, they're like 50, 60 bucks each.
We made a quick stop at Buc-ee's, got something to eat, fueled back up, saw this nice little Honda, it's a nice wrap actually, and dealt with the torrential rain on and off, where that Ghia got its first wash in many, many years. So back onto the highway, we made it back to the house. Everything was absolutely flawless. The 2-rag was behaving very, very well. So once we got it home, I rolled it back into the garage and had one good look at it. Finally got it home and parked it right next to the S2000. The interior on this car is really, really good shape. Alright, so we are driving back home. We've dropped off Alex's trailer and dropped off Alex. Massive shout out to Alex. Thank you so much, man, for letting me use your trailer and coming along with me and giving me a hand. It's now 7:30. It's getting pretty late. So yeah, we tried getting the car running, tried getting it going. Fortunately, it did not want to crank. I got a couple little ideas of what might fix that issue. But yeah, otherwise the 2-rag was fantastic. Did absolutely amazing. I've still got well over a quarter of a tank left after doing many miles of towing. So yeah, this thing's phenomenal. Did great through rain,
sun, heat. It was just all the weathers in one today. So yeah, we're gonna head back home and probably keep cracking on to this one. But yeah, again, big thanks to Alex, and on we go.
So thanks for watching this episode, guys. Stick along for the next one where hopefully we get it running and going. As you can see here, I was trying to get it running here. But yeah, be sure to stick along for the next episode and see where we go with this 1968 Karmann Ghia. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to like and subscribe for more.